the solution for this example, what we're going to do is count how many times this partial name would be found in this list over here. So we're going to use COUNTIFS. And the criteria here is going to be what the product is known as. But because there could be something before or after it, we put inverted commas, asterisks, inverted commas, ampersand. So you'll see it's building it up. Put an ampersand and an asterisk. Where must it go look for that? Let's go look in here. Put our dollar signs. When I say OK, we'll see there's only one match for that. When I copy it down. So for most of these, they're one, but every now and again you've got something like that where there's two possible matches. So you need to be careful and just make sure that those particular items are pulling through the correct item. So was this one, should it have pulled through the AND string, which is this one here, the 516, or is that actually the shortened name for the string echo, which is that number there? So generally speaking, at this stage we'd put our filter on, and anything that's not equal to a 1, we need to investigate and make sure that it is the correct information. But it's better than having to go through each one of these and manually try and match them.